Well, good morning, folks. We are out on the St. Croix once again with a little more of a challenge today. We're going to have some highs about 96 degrees. We're looking at winds between 15 and 20 miles an hour out of the south. It's never good for a south wind, but we're going to do what we can today. Guys, thanks for coming along with me. I got 3 hours to do this in. Let's put some fish in this boat. Let's get to it. Well, all right, folks, we are at our first little spot here, and should be exciting. Got out of the wind just a little bit. We're gonna hit this. Let's see what happens. Let's go get some fish. So, folks, we're gonna start looking at about 17 feet of water. We're gonna go out to about 19 and a half. We'll go deeper if we have to, but we should find them in this depth. We're gonna find out right now. Definitely gonna be a little challenging for me today. Current going one direction, wind going another. There we go, folks. Fish on. Wrong species. Guys, I am sure we're gonna find a bunch of these today, but let's hope we don't find too many. But they're out in big numbers right now. So let's let him go. There we go. Enough sheephead action for one day. All right, that tells me what we're dealing with. All right, guys, we are now at another spot trying to get out of this wind still. It's been a tough fish so far, nothing but sheephead, and there's a few fish on the bottom of this spot. We'll check it out. Then we're gonna go into maybe pool 3. Maybe that'll help me stay a little more out of the wind, but the flow is gonna be good. And let's just do this thing. There we go. Little sauger. There we go, folks. Found our first sauger. He was actually in 25 feet of water, and not a bad little guy, right? All right, he's had some hits on his tail. Been chased. There we go. Folks, let's see if we can't swing this bad boy into the, there we go, a nicer sauger for us today. Tell you what, guys, this wind is just beating us to death, but you know, still another little sauger even in the wind. I'm just using the wind to help me just basically coast over this sand flat, and the saugers are sitting on it. Let's throw them back. Let's get some more. Folks, we found them 20 feet of water. Seems like it's just saugers right now, but it's pretty thick. We'll see how many we can catch. Woo-wee. There we go. Another one on, folks. There we go. Terrible release. But just another small sauger. Let's let him go. There we go, folks. Another fish on. I'm gonna swing him too. There we go. Another nice little sauger to eat if you were eating. Perfect little guy. Let's let him go. I'll tell you what, folks, we are sitting on top of a huge line of saugers, and I'm just skip jigging it with the wind pulling me away, and seems to be working. There we go. Another fish on. A baby walleye. There you go, folks, just a baby walleye. It's time to get some bigger ones, I would think, out of here. We'll find out. Let's throw them back. All right, guys, you know that skip jig is the ticket today. That jig is probably 20 feet away from the boat, but as long as I maintain ground and I do the skip, they'll chase it, and we'll get them every time. It went in. Here's another one for us. This one actually feels a little bigger. Oh, it is. He's gonna come off though, folks. I'm surprised. Another sauger. Let's let him go. Hey, it's pretty exciting fishing. If it wasn't for this wind being so bad, this would be an awesome day. But we get what we get, and we catch fish. Let's get some more. Well, folks, my 3 hours is almost up. I got about another 10 or 15 minutes here, and then we're gonna boogie on out. The winds are only gonna get worse today, and yeah, I don't feel like fighting them. So let's see what we do. There we go. Oh, he got off. Well, folks, I was going to do one more fish, but between pleasure boats and the wind right now, and it's going to be getting worse, it's time to get off the water. All right, folks, that's a wrap. That's my 3-hour tour today. A lot of fun. We caught some fish. It was a challenge. 25-mile-an-hour winds coming out of the south always makes it a challenge on the St. Croix. Then you put that 95-degree heat on us today. Definitely had to work for some fish, but man, we did get in them at one point. Could have sat there all day on top of them. What a blast. Thanks for joining me today, guys. I appreciate you watching. And if you like these videos, please like, share, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications. I'll be doing a lot more on these rivers. And again, we'll see you on the water.